Hello everyone! Do you hear that? Bells are ringing, choirs are singing, there's festivity in the air. And what does this mean? We are just a few weeks away from Christmas. Now this festive season is all about celebrating the people that we care about and are inspired by, and of course spreading good cheer and joy. Now we at SIFF Young Artiste work with the mission of creating a community of artists, by artists, for artists, to celebrate the culture of arts in our country. Now in this endeavor, we would like to invite you to come join our big virtual Christmas choir. That's right, we at SIFF Young Artiste invite you to come sing with us. So if you enjoy singing, here's how you can be a part of our virtual choir from the comfort of your own homes in just a few simple steps. 1. Check the description box below for the links to the soprano, alto, tenor and bass tracks. Listen to them and pick a track that you're most comfortable singing depending on your vocal range. Step 2. Practice. Step 3. Check the text on screen for instructions on specifications for the audio and video files that you're going to be recording. Step 4. Using the track that you've selected as reference, record your audio. Now, if you're using a phone, you might need to use two devices, one to listen to the reference track with headphones on, and the second to actually record yourself. Step 5. Now, we of course want to not just hear you sing, but also see you on camera. So, put on your biggest smile and lights, camera, action, video time. Step 6, send us a WhatsApp message on the number that you see to register yourself, and we'll send you a link where you can drop your video and audio files. Do remember that the last date for submitting your files will be the 7th of December. Finally, if you have any further questions, do reach out to us, call or WhatsApp us on the number that you see. And what are you waiting for? Warm up, get ready, and come sing with us.